So you've got an opportunity in Windsor. Well, not that kind of opportunity, this kind of opportunity. But you're hearing things. Someone said it's the end of Ontario. There's always someone, that kind that jumps to conclusions, doesn't do the research, but fortunately, that's not you. See, when you look closely, you'll see Windsor is actually the beginning of Canada, one of the most diverse cities in North America. And if you dig in a little bit, you'll see the odds of buying a house, a nice house, are much higher than, say, Toronto or Vancouver. And yet, you're minutes away from a major city with access to culture, shopping, and international travel. What they don't know is that Windsor's a great place for outdoor lovers, sports fans, festival goers, people who actually live life. And job opportunities, they're everywhere. Windsor's a national powerhouse in a lot of business sectors. Over 1,000 manufacturers in the region have a particular expertise in automotive, aerospace, food processing, and pharmaceutical industries. And 90% of Windsor's manufacturers export globally. So there you have it. Find out for yourself. Come visit Windsor, the beginning of Canada, and bring along that friend. You know the one.